Hari Om Tat Sat. In this class, we're gonna practice around 5-10 minutes for warm up the body, and yoga anytime you can practice. So the first step is just stretch your body with the sitting position. So inhale, stretch your hands up and straight your leg front of you. Stretch like this, engage your stomach, lengthen your spine, move your body to the right, to the left. Keep breathing. Yeah, slowly hand down. Inhale, hands up. Interlock your finger, stretch your spine, stretch your shoulders. Move to the right, swing to the right and swing to the left. Yes, very good. Twist to the right, look at the behind. Very good. Inhale, hands up. You might be listen. Yes, very good. Switch the side. Inhale, exhale. We just try our best. We don't force and we just do little by little. Okay, this is upper body. Now leg, both feet together and butterfly. This is very best technique. You can do anytime before sleep, after wake up, or anytime if you have leg pain. Try this technique. Okay, next, my favorite, and you can do this technique anytime if you have leg pain or feel uncomfortable with your back and the legs. Chaki, Sanchalan, move. You might be listen in your hip joint. This very useful to open the hip joint. Stretch your body anytime. If you feel uncomfortable, you need to stretch. All right, switch. Yeah, reverse a little bit. Try your best. Stretch your body a little by little. Okay, next technique. Leg straight. Right leg bend. Very good. Like this. Inhale, hands up. Exhale, slowly bend forward. If you can catch, it's fine. If you cannot catch any place you feel comfortable. Your leg, if your body is too tight, for beginners like this. For if anybody can catch, very nice. Look up, stretch your spine, inhale. Exhale, head down. Remember, right leg is bent, okay? So we do the both side is very important. So head up, inhale, head down, exhale. 3 to 5 times we can do like this. Okay, then inhale, lengthen your spine up. Which leg is bent? The one side, the hand is behind. So right leg is bent, right hand is behind, close to your hip. The leg straight, the hand is straight, the same side. Yeah, and then grab your fist, lift the pelvic up, stretch your spine and stretch like this. Stretch maximum, keep breathing. If you feel uncomfortable, you feel free to come back. Yes, very nice. Slowly down. Very good. Switch the leg. It's very important. This technique will give you stretch and warm up. You might be listen your body now. You feel stretch and you feel warming up the spine. Okay, catch that toes. Inhale, head up. Exhale, head down. Inhale, head up. Exhale, head down. Inhale, head up. Exhale, head down. Very nice. Stretch maximum as you feel comfortable. And then inhale, both hands up. So which leg is straight? The hand is straight. The leg bend, the hands, the same side, hand will go behind. Yeah, my right leg is straight, the right hand be front. Switch the side. Already, right? So hip up and stretch your body like this. Look behind. Stretch maximum. You feel might be stretch and feel wow. Slowly sit down. Yeah, sit again and both feet together. We do the butterfly. Butterfly pose is very good for open hip joint. Next, bend your hands like this. Grab the fist. Yeah, like this. Bend your knees and lift the hip up. Like this. Stretch. Stretch. Look behind. Keep breathing. Very good. Very nice. Slowly down. Very nice. Okay, one more time. Inhale. Hip up. Look behind. Okay, slowly down. Okay, now advance a little bit. One hand will go up and bend your elbows a little bit and lift the hip up. Yeah, look up. Or you can look down as you feel comfortable. Stay here for a while. Very nice. Okay, slowly hip down. Switch the hand. Hand up and lift the hip up. Stretch the body little by little. Every day you will feel very good, very best with your body. Okay, we sit comfortable and relax the shoulder. So grab your shoulder like this. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Reverse. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Okay, very good. So yoga anytime. So if you like this all techniques, please feel free to let me know by comment. And if you're new in my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Practice yoga with Sonhu Sinngh. I will give you the original yoga techniques which I learned from the age of 4. 4 years old I start yoga. So right now I'm still practicing and it's a life going experience. So I hope to see you in my next video. Namaste, Hari Om, Tat Sat. The 200-hour yoga teacher course is suitable for any kind of yoga beginners, for any people who love to increase the yoga knowledge and get the better understand in deep down of the yoga essence. So join the 200-hour yoga teacher training course with me and get the international yoga license that is allow you to start your yoga career and you can teach the yoga internationally any part of the world. This is our guarantee. And the second, if you have already done the 200-hour, you can join 300-hour or 500-hour yoga teacher course expert. Become a yoga expert. Join with me. So this course will allow you to open the school and work like an international yoga school, international yoga teacher. So I'm here to support you all your lifetime. So have a good day.